Hello friends, I'm Sujata. You're watching All Season Gardening. Today's topic is 3 easy ways to propagate snake plant. Propagate sansevieria leaf cuttings in soil. Cut off a healthy snake plant leaf near its base. I make 3 sections from this leaf. Plant the cuttings in potting soil. Water well and let drain. Don't let the soil get too dry or too wet. Cuttings can rot in soggy soil. Check on the soil once every 1 to 2 weeks and water if top 2 of the soil feels dry below the surface. Few months back, I did the same process, and friends, you can see full developed plant from just a leaf. Second method, propagate snake plant by division. Division in gardening is a method of plant propagation where the root clump of a plant is broken up into 2 or more parts. Both the root and crown of each part is kept intact. Take your plant out of the pot or dig up a clump from the soil. Use a clean and sharp knife or scissors to divide the root clump. Each division should have roots and some leafy top or pups attached. Plant the divided clump in their new pots or in the garden. This method creates more room for new growth as your plant multiplies. Third method is propagate sansevieria leaf cuttings in water. Cut off healthy snake plants leaf near its base. Make a notched upside down V cut at the bottom and place the leaf in clean jar of water. The water level should be slightly above the V cut because root will grow from the cut tissue. This technique helps to lift up most of cut surface so roots have room to grow. After about 3 to 5 weeks, you can see roots growing from the bottom of the leaf cuttings. In another 2 to 3 weeks, tiny pups will start growing. You can transplant the cutting in soil or just let them keep growing in water. I had uploaded a video already on water propagation of snake plant with results. Video links in description box. Please check them out. Friends, if you like this type of content and information, please subscribe to my channel and also press bell notification. Your support, guys, much appreciated from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.